In a flood zone? Well, not my home. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Tampa Bayside Brief, your Florida real estate update, brought to you courtesy of Todd and Paula Diesel, licensed realtors with Remax Bayside in Apollo Beach, Florida. I'm Todd Diesel, and I have the distinct pleasure of discussing the topic of flood insurance. Many Floridians have been told that they're not in a flood zone. But if you live in Florida, most likely you are in a flood zone, as nearly the entire state could be at risk of flood, even if you're not near the water. Get this, on average, 40% of flood insurance claims occur outside of the high risk areas. And in most cases, standard insurance policies do not cover flood damage. So, what defines a flood? According to FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program, and please allow me to paraphrase just a bit here, but it's a temporary condition of partial or complete inundation of 2 or more acres of normally dry land area, or it's 2 or more properties that have water from the overflow of inland or tidal waters, rapid accumulation of runoff of surface waters from any source, mudslides, or collapse of land along water. And from the period of 2016 to 2022, per FEMA, the average cost of flood damage has been about $66,000 per homeowner with a claim. So, as a homeowner, what do we do to protect ourselves? Well, anyone, in fact, in any state, can purchase flood insurance. And yes, it can be costly if you're in a high risk area, but it's very affordable in the moderate to low risk areas. For many of these moderate to low risk homes, you could be covered with 250,000 on your home and about 100,000 of contents for $1 per day. And keep in mind that 40% of all the claims are in these moderate to low risk areas. Just think about all that furniture and other stuff you have sitting on the first floor of your home. In most circumstances, you will have a 30-day waiting period. So don't wait too long before coverage kicks in, because hurricane season does begin on June 1st. Now, for more information about your property and your risk of flooding, contact the National Flood Insurance Program at msc.fema.gov. And this just in from Tallahassee, the Florida legislature passed the first flood disclosure bill in state history. If signed into law by Governor Ron DeSantis, it would reveal some, but not all, flood risk of potential homes, as sellers would be required to disclose flood history and their prior flood claims. Once signed, it would kick in October 1st. I'm out of time for today, but this is Todd Diesel bidding you an enjoyable day on behalf of Paula and myself.